fried chicken originated? Why is it so popular nowadays? And what country consumes 205 pounds of chicken per person? Now, that's a lot of protein, don't you think so? This and more when we return. Hello Andro Stars, and welcome again to RLumbang, my media. For today's cooking episode, I will cook my own version of fast food style fried chicken that are so good you don't have to buy it at your favorite fast food chains, but you can cook it at home yourselves. It will be much easier and cheaper to do. So without further ado, we will now start cooking. 1 kilo of chicken, 6 grams of fine breadcrumbs, 1 pack of breading mix. In this case, I'll be using Golden Fiesta's Big Crunch breading mix, and a piece of egg. We'll just mix the breadcrumbs and the breading mixtures together. And that's it. For the chicken to be juicier, we will brine it first. To make the brining solution, pour 1 liter of warm water in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix well till dissolved. Then add 1 tablespoon of powdered black pepper. Mix well till dissolved. Then add 3 pieces of laurel or bay leaves and continue mixing. What is the process called brining? Brining chicken or other meat is the process of soaking the meat in the salted water. It causes the chicken or any other meat to absorb some of the water through osmosis, making it moister when cooked. Cover it with clean wrap. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours or overnight. After brining for 12 hours, we will clean the chicken in the running water to remove the excess salt absorbed by the meat. By the way, where do you think fried chicken originated? I guess the new generation would think fried chicken was originally from Kentucky, USA, where Colonel Sanders built the world-renowned Kentucky Fried Chicken, or its competitor, McDonald's, which was founded by the McDonald brothers, Richard McDonald and Maurice McDonald, in 1940, who in fact were both Irish immigrants to the United States as children. Well, in fact, the fried chicken was invented by the Scottish. The first dish known to have been deep fried was fritters. However, it was the Scottish who were the first Europeans to deep fry their chicken in fat, though without seasoning. But who invented fried chicken in America? The almost 500,000 West Africans enslaved in North America brought a knack for frying chickens, many of whom perfected the art of frying chicken. In Gordonsville, Virginia, African Americans helped popularize fried chicken across the US by selling it to travelers through open train windows. Fix natin yung fine breadcrumbs at saka yung big crunch na breading. Lagyan natin ng mantika. Habang iniinit natin ang ating mantika ay ikukok na natin yung ating manok. Sisimulan natin sa mga malaman, breast part. Yan. Tapos, una natin coating ng itlog. And then, lagay natin sa may wagang mixture ng fried chicken. Yan. Kailangan coated talaga para ang lasa ay manuot. By the way, ang ating chicken ay na-brine siya for half day or 12 hours para mas manuot yung flavor at maging juicy-licious ang ating chicken. Ayan. Lahat ng malaman ay unahin natin. Pagkatapos ng egg ay ang ating breading mix na breadcrumbs at saka ito ay isang recipe ni Kuya Rene. Lord, ang apoy naman or yung ating temperature during the second frying will be much higher. Mas nasa medium heat tayo. Luluto natin to for about 8 minutes or hanggang medyo nasa ano na siya, malapit na siya mag-brown or mag-golden brown. Ikot natin para hindi sila magpipikit. Natapos na yung 8 minutes, pamuin muna natin at hindi natin mamaya ulit ay pahamon natin ulit natin sa salad. Okay, tingnan natin kung yung second fry natin ay okay na. So, golden brown na siya. Konti pa. Ayan. Medyo brown na siya. No? So, konti pa. Konti pa. Para malutong. Ayan. Pwede na. Pwede na. And then, sasalang natin ulit yung second batch natin. The difference ng ating second fry ulit natin yung ating second batch. By the way, yung isang bilog na manok natin ay nag-yield siya ng 14 pieces na individual servings. Itong second batch natin, pwede na natin hamuin. Yan. So, off na natin. And then, drain natin sa fried chicken. So, ito ay serve na natin. Lalagay na natin sa mga serving meal boxes. So, ito, meron na tayong ready dito. Ito ay 150 grams. So, lalagyan natin ng isang piraso ng chicken. $150 rin, kaya lang lalagyan natin ng 2-piece chicken. Thigh part. Ito. Wing. Now let's see. I'm now going to give you a trivial fact. Which country do you think eats the most chicken? Think, think, think. Well, the answer is Australia. As a whole, Australia consumes 205 pounds of chickens per person. That is per year. This is more than any country in the world, including the United States of America. I just hope that you have learned something again from this episode. And if you do, you can share it with your friends and your family or whoever you want them to share with. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down there so that I can notify you in my succeeding videos. And as always, I would like to offer you all peace and love and happy eating. Bye. Why is it so popular nowadays? Why is it so popular nowadays? What type of breading mix? In this case, I'm using Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod na videos.